Good morning, 8th class students. Our main topic is direct and inverse proportional. So today I am going to explain some important problems from 10.3 exercise. Listen well. If x plus 1 men will do the work in x plus 1 days. Here x plus 1 members can complete the work in x plus 1 days. Find the number of days that x plus 2 members can complete the work. Okay. Here x plus 1 members, they are completing the work in x plus 1 days. Let x plus 2 members can complete the same work in x plus 2 days. See here, first members and work, completing work means days. X plus 1 members, they can complete the work in x plus 1 days. Then x plus 2 members add to k days. So what we can write here, x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. What about the x1? X plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to x plus 1 into k. So x plus 1 members can complete the work in x plus 1. Then x plus 1 into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into k. X plus 1 into x plus 1, we can write x plus 1 whole square by x plus 2 is equal to k. See here, x plus 2 members can complete the same work in x plus 1 whole square by x plus 2 days. So required days are x plus 1 whole square by x plus 2. Clear the question? Here x plus 1 members, they can complete the work in x plus 1 days. Let x plus 2 members can complete the same work in k days. Work and days always inversely proportional together. So x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. What is the final answer? X plus 2 members can complete the work in x plus 1 whole square by x plus 2 days. If z varies directly as x and inversely as y, find the percentage increased in z due to an increase of 12% in x and decrease 20% in y. See here, z is directly proportional to x and inversely proportional to y. If x increases to 12% and y decreases to 20%, then what is the increase of z you have to find. So you have to find the increasing percentage of z. See here, z is directly proportional to x and z is inversely proportional to y. What we can write here? Z proportional to x by y, direct to x and inverse to y. Just I am removing that proportionality symbol. So z is equal to kx by y. From this what we can write? K is equal to y z by x. If here two quantities are there, we can write as y1 z1 by x1 is equal to y2 z2 by x2. Let x1 is equal to 100x before increasing, y1 is equal to 100y before decreasing, z1 is equal to 100z. X increases to 12%, then x2 is equal to 112x and y decreased 20%, y2 is equal to 80y. Then what is the increasing of z? That is nothing but z2 is equal to, I don't know. Now apply the values here. y1 means 100y, z1 means 100z, by x1 means 100x is equal y2 means 80y into z2 means I don't know by x2 means 112x 100 cancel y and y also cancel x and x also cancel then what is the remaining 100 into 112 by 80 z is equal to z2 0 cancel still any cancellations 2 5s are 2 4s are 4 2s are 8 remaining 32 4 8s are the remaining z2 is equal to 5 into 28z it means 140 is equal z2 is equal to 140z first I took z as 100 z1 is equal to 100z so here z increased to 40% 100 to 140 z increased to 40% so x increased to 12% and y decreased to 20% then after z increased up to 40%. Two quantities a and b are inversely proportional so then you have to complete the table here a is inversely proportional to b a is inversely proportional to b what we can write here ab is equal to k it means a1 b1 is equal to a2 b2 so first problem so let the required values this I am taking as x y and z x and y and z in first case what is the a1 is equal to 2 and b1 is equal to x then a2 is equal to 4 and b2 is equal to 25 what we can write a1 b1 is equal to a2 b2 so 2 into x is equal to 4 into 25 then x is equal to 4 into 25 by 2 2 ones are 2 2s are x is equal to 50 so what is the value of this box 50 then second one a1 is equal to 4 and b1 is equal to 25 a2 is equal to 5 then b2 is equal to y what is the formula a1 b1 is equal to a2 b2 what about the a1 4 into 25 is equal to 5 into y 4 into 25 by 5 is equal to y 5 ones are 5 5s are 5 4s are 20 so what is the value of the y here 20 next I need the value of z here a1 is equal to 5 b1 is equal to y is equal to 20 then after a2 is equal to z b2 is equal to 10 a1 b1 is equal to a2 b2 so 5 into 20 is equal to z into 10 5 into 20 by 10 is equal to z 10 ones are 10 2s are 5 2s are 10 so what is the value of the z z is equal to 10 so required values x is equal to 50 and y is equal to 20 and z is equal to 10 8th class students here is your homework if x and y are inversely proportional together you have to complete the following tables here x value is there and also y value is there you have to find the missing values